While the genius billionaire playboy philanthropist might have an arc reactor keeping shrapnel out of his heart, the real world just caught up with science fiction. In a breakthrough that would make even Stark Industries jealous, Bivacor's titanium artificial heart has been successfully implanted into a living patient. This isn't the latest Marvel movie plot, it's happening right now, and it's about to revolutionize cardiac care as we know it. Now, before we delve into the details of Bivacor's artificial heart, let's take a moment to understand why this innovation is so important. Heart failure is a global epidemic, affecting at least 26 million people worldwide, with 6.2 million adults in the United States alone suffering from this condition. It's a serious health issue that's only growing in prevalence. For patients with severe heart failure, a heart transplant is often the best option. However, there's a significant problem. The demand for donor hearts far outweighs the supply. Globally, fewer than 6,000 heart transplants are performed each year. This leaves a vast number of patients in a precarious situation, desperately needing a solution that can bridge the gap while they wait for a donor heart. This is where mechanical circulatory support, or MCS devices, like artificial hearts come into play. The U.S. National Institutes of Health estimates that up to 100,000 patients could immediately benefit from such devices. It's clear that there's a pressing need for innovative solutions in this field, and that's exactly what Bivacor is aiming to provide. Now, let's turn our attention to the star of the show, Bivacor's Total Artificial Heart, or TAH. This isn't your average medical device. In fact, it represents a paradigm shift in artificial heart design. Traditionally, artificial hearts have used volume displacement pump designs with flexible polymer diaphragms to pump the blood. Bivacor's TAH, however, takes a completely different approach. It's an electromechanical rotary blood pump that uses cutting-edge technology to circulate blood throughout the body. At the heart of Bivacor's TAH is a technology that might surprise you: the very same high-speed maglev technology used in modern rail systems. But instead of moving trains, this technology is now being used to move blood through the body efficiently and effectively. It's like the Arc Reactor 2.0, sleeker, more efficient, and thankfully not slowly poisoning its user with palladium. The key component of the TAH is a magnetically levitated rotor. This rotor is the only moving part in the entire device, which is a significant departure from traditional artificial heart designs. The rotor is suspended between two separate pump chambers using magnetic levitation, or maglev technology. This innovative design eliminates friction within the pump, which is a common cause of wear and tear in mechanical devices. By removing this source of degradation, the Bivacor TAH has the potential to last much longer than previous artificial heart designs. But how does it actually pump blood? Well, the rotor is dual-sided, with unique impeller designs on each side. As it spins, it propels blood from the respective pump chambers to both the pulmonary, the lung, and systemic, body circulations, effectively replacing the function of both ventricles in a failing heart. So now that we understand how it works, let's talk about what the Bivacor TAH can do. This is not just a placeholder device. It's a powerful piece of technology designed to meet the demanding needs of the human body. The TAH is capable of providing high blood flows of over 12 liters per minute. To put that into perspective, that's enough cardiac output for an adult male to engage in physical exercise. Now, this level of performance is crucial for maintaining a good quality of life for patients while they await a heart transplant. But it's not just about raw power. The Bivacor TAH is also smart. Its operation is driven by an intelligent controller that adapts to changes in patient activity and cardiac output demand. What this means is the device can respond to the body's changing needs, just like a healthy heart would. One of the challenges in developing artificial hearts is creating a device that's suitable for a wide range of patients. Bivacor has made significant strides in this area with their TAH. The implantable TAH is remarkably compact, making it suitable for most men and women with a body surface area greater than 1.4 square meters. This broad applicability is crucial for addressing the needs of a diverse patient population. Moreover, the external components of the system have been designed with patient mobility in mind. A small external controller, combined with a rechargeable battery system, supports untethered operation from an AC power source. This enhances patient mobility and freedom of movement, allowing for a better quality of life. When it comes to artificial hearts, durability is paramount. The Bivacor TAH has been designed with longevity in mind, starting with its materials. The device is constructed from titanium, chosen for its high biocompatibility, corrosion resistance, and strength. But the durability of the Bivacor TAH goes beyond just its materials. Remember that single moving part that we mentioned earlier? That's a key factor in the device's potential longevity. There are no valves, no flexing ventricle chambers or pumping diaphragms, and no mechanical bearings. The non-contact suspension of the pump rotor via magnetic levitation eliminates mechanical wear within the pump. This design approach could potentially allow the Bivacor TAH to function for much longer periods than traditional artificial hearts, providing a more reliable bridge to transplant for patients. Now, let's talk about the exciting news that's brought Bivacor into the spotlight. On July 9, 2024, the first in-human implantation of the Bivacor TAH was successfully completed at Baylor St. Luke's Medical Center in the Texas Medical Center. This marks a significant milestone in the development of this groundbreaking technology. This implantation is part of an FDA-approved early feasibility study that aims to evaluate the safety and performance of the Bivacor TAH. The study is designed to assess the device's potential as a bridge-to-transplant solution for patients with severe biventricular heart failure or univentricular heart failure where left ventricle assist device support is not recommended. Under the study design, a total of 5 patients will be treated with the Bivacor TAH. This careful step-by-step approach allows researchers to closely monitor the device's performance and make any necessary adjustments before wider implementation. While the study is ongoing, we do have some initial information about the first patient to receive the Bivacor TAH. The device was implanted into a 58-year-old man with end-stage heart failure. According to his doctors, the titanium heart worked very well for 8 days before a real donor heart became available. This initial success is incredibly encouraging. It demonstrates that the device can indeed function as intended in a human patient, providing the necessary circulatory support to keep the patient alive and well while awaiting a donor heart. If this device proves successful in larger clinical trials and eventually receives full FDA approval, it could revolutionize the field of cardiac care. For patients with end-stage heart failure, the Bivacor TAH could provide a reliable long-term solution while they wait for a donor heart. Instead of facing a wait that could stretch into years, patients could potentially receive an off-the-shelf solution that dramatically improves their quality of life. Moreover, the durability and adaptability of the Bivacor TAH could potentially reduce the need for repeat surgeries or device replacements, which are common issues with current artificial heart technologies. This could lead to better outcomes for patients and reduced healthcare costs. Bivacor's titanium heart is truly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in modern medicine. But hey, this is just the beginning of the conversation. We would love to hear from you. What do you all think about this incredible innovation? Could you imagine a world where artificial hearts are as common as pacemakers? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you found this deep dive into the future of cardiac care as pulse-pounding as we did, then why not join our community? Smash that subscribe button to stay on top of cutting-edge breakthroughs. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to hit that bell icon. You'll be the first to know about the latest and game-changing innovations.